Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to do a magic circle today. So there's different ways of doing magic circles. This is one of the methods you can use. So put your yarn through your little finger, bring it up and round, and then you're just going to do a loop on your pointy finger. So it looks like this, holding your tail with your thumb and middle finger. So then you get your hook, poke it through and just guide that up, and then you do your first stitch, and then you're going to crochet into this circle, and whatever you're doing will tell you to do different stitches. I'm just doing a single stitch. You go all the way around, and then you can pull the end to pull it tight together, and that is what your magic circle will look like with single crochets.